Hello everyone, my name is Vanessa Nora Anak Lasan. My metric number T2020209678. Okay, today our group discuss about how to create origami. Origami is the art of folding paper, which is often associated with Japanese culture. In modern uses, the origami is used as an inclusive term for all folding paper, regardless of the culture of origin. Origami is made up of a variety of shape, whether animal shape, box shape, or human shape. The art of origami must be further developed in order to move forward along with other work of art. The origami art look very unique and interesting because it can be seen in 3 dimensions and can be touched. Therefore, the art of origami needs to be further developed.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Nuraika Benti alias. I am going to talk about history of origami. The history of origami has been known since ancient time. Origami is the art of folding paper that originated in Japan. The word origami comes from the Japanese language, which is a combination of the word ori, which means fold, and kami, which means paper. Today, the word origami has been known and used around the world to refer to the art of paper folding. Origami is the art of folding paper into weird shapes. The history of origami is believed to date back to the time humans began producing paper. The paper was first produced in China in the 1st century, exactly 105 AD, and was introduced by Sai Lun. Later, in the 6th century, the method of making paper was brought to Spain by the Arabs and to Japan in 610 AD by a Buddhist monk named Donko, who came from Goryeo, Korean Peninsula. He introduced paper and ink in Japan during the reign of Empress Suiko. Since then, origami has been popular among the Japanese for generations. Origami is a Japanese culture in the Shinto religion. Currently, there are many amazing origami models created by origami experts around the world. In fact, in ancient times, the shape of the body and legs could only be imagined. However, now the exact anatomical shape has been successfully produced.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Aisyah Farhana binti Jamaluddin and my ID T2002096392. Today, I want to talk about using origami in real life or application of using origami. Number 1, use of the one finger improve fine motor skill and brain development. When doing origami, we use our finger to create specific shape out of paper. The ability to skillfully move one finger to create detailed object is important for a child development. Children who are good with their finger tend to be good at the sport and have a good rhythm. Also, since our peripheral nerves are centered in our fingertips, they are often called our second brain. Using our fingertips to make detailed origami sends signals to our brain, making the activity a great form to a training of our brain. Number 2, develop imagination and a sense of color. Origami requires children to figure out how to reach the final product, which encourages them to use their imagination. Also, since we often use many different colors of paper when creating an object, the image often changes depending on the color uses. Number 3, improve concentration, and spatial awareness. When creating origami, we use our fingertip to create details object. This helps improve concentration. It also requires us to fold various sides of the paper at once, which helps children study math. Using a high level of concentration to fold various sides of the paper also improves spatial awareness. Side of the paper also improves spatial awareness. Thank you. Bye.
Origami really allows you to be creative as well as following models. You can always expand or adapt them or follow your impulse and create your own design from scratch. Here are some simple tips and tricks to help you get the most out of origami. First and foremost, wash your hands properly and then wipe it so that it doesn't stain the paper. Next, fold the paper and make sure the square is really square. You need to be precise. Accuracy is vital because errors multiply quickly. Tips and tricks number 3. Slow down and give yourself enough time to finish a model because it always takes longer than you think. Other than that, always fold the paper away from you rather than towards you and fold it on a flat surface like table. The first time you try a new design, use a larger sheet than usual as you may make mistakes, and if you get really stuck following a diagram, refold with a new sheet instead. Besides that, take care to line up each carefully on each fold. Just a little bit of overlap can make a difference later on. Make sure to fold it carefully. Last but not least, take it slowly and read each instruction provided carefully so you don't miss any, and of course have fun.